Welcome to Ronnie Presents The Crick Expert. Today we are going to talk about the match number 28 of the Dream 11 IPL between the boys from the Garden City of Bengaluru, the RCB, Royal Challengers Bangalore, and the Knights from the Kolkata Knight Riders. As we know, this team is owned by the Badshah of Bollywood Shah Rukh Khan, and RCB is captained by the King Kohli of Indian cricket. Before going to this match, I would like to highlight our yesterday's pick for the game between Mumbai Indians and Delhi Capitals. So as we picked, Surya Kumar Yadav and De Kock scored heaps of runs for Mumbai Indians, and Shreyas Iyer and Rabada were the game changers for Delhi Capitals, and Stoinis and Ashwin gave their vital contribution. So we were spot on with our prediction. Yeah, one of the prediction went wrong with Rohit Sharma, but that happens. He's a match winner on a given day. Yesterday he did not click, and the other thing which did not go as per our plan was the toss. But our prediction for the team win was correct, so Mumbai Indians won. So you have to give it to us for that. So let's take a look for the fantasy prediction, the head-to-head stats, the ground stats between RCB and KKR. So let's see the statistical analysis between Royal Challengers Bangalore and the Kolkata Knight Riders. So this game will be held at iconic ground of Sharjah. This ground is well known for the Desert Storm innings by Sachin Tendulkar in 1998 against Australia. In this IPL, there have been 5 games, and all 3 of them have been heavy scoring, where teams have scored 200, and the chasing team also have managed to score more than 200. The record says that the team batting first has won 4 times, while the team chasing has won once, which was the innings from Tewatia where he hit 5 sixes to Shalin Cottrell. So according to us, the par score at this ground should be 190, and I guess the team winning the toss might choose to bat first looking at the statistics. If we go by the Dream 11 stats, then KKR and RCB have faced each other 25 times, where KKR has wood over RCB, where they have won 15 games against 10. Most runs in this marquee clash have been scored by Virat Kohli, and it's no-brainer. He has scored 674 runs, while the most wickets have been on the name of Sunil Narine, where he has taken 16 wickets. If we take a look at the head-to-head comparison between the players of each teams, then there are few battles that we would like to look for. Chahal and Dinesh Karthik, if you see, Dinesh Karthik is the captain of the Kolkata Knight Riders. He found some form in the last game against the Kings 11 Punjab. If you see the stats, Chahal has bowled 27 balls to Karthik and he has managed to score 29. So there is a bit of a tussle between both of them. No one is a clear favourite, but Karthik has managed remain unbeaten against Chahal. If you see the other stat where Chahal versus Russell, and Russell has got the better of the bowler, where he has scored 61 runs from 30 balls. So this is going to be the clash to look for if Russell plays, because there are some cloud over his inclusion in the team because of the injury concerns that he faced in the last game. Similar to that, if you see Chris Morris, who played for the RCB, and he showed a promising return to the IPL. If we see Chris Morris against Russell and Karthik, the batsman seems to be quiet as far as Chris Morris is concerned, and he has taken three wickets apiece against Russell and Karthik whenever they have made. From Kolkata Knight Riders side, Narine has been their champion bowler, and against Kohli, he has bowled 94 balls and Kohli has managed to score 99. So there is nothing much to choose between two, and Narine has got him twice. Same with De Villiers. De Villiers faced 34 balls and 46 runs has been scored, and he has taken 3 times out. So clearly Narine is favourites against De Villiers. So this is the clash to look for. And Pat Cummins against Kohli, it has been like 16 balls and 17 runs, because Pat Cummins have recently came back to the IPL, and he just started to play his role for the Kolkata Knight Riders. So So let's have a look at the players to watch out for, the playing 11 and our fantasy dream 11. So the players to watch out for from the RCB side will be AB de Villiers, Finch, Yuzvendra Chahal. While for the KKR, will go for Tripathi, Rana and Karthik based on their current forms because they have been in good forms. And I predict ABD and Finch to score good runs for RCB. While you can expect the same from Tripathi and Rana, and being Sharjah being favorable for the left-handers because the boundary behind the wicket is very much closer. I guess Rana might be the useful candidate for KKR. If we see the wildcard picks, then Morris, I'll go with Morris for RCB and Prasidh Krishna for KKR. Prasidh Krishna bowled really well against Kings 11 Punjab and swung the game in their favour. Whereas Morris returned to the IPL after injury and he created havoc against CSK. So he will be the wildcard pick for us. If we look at the playing 11s for the respective teams, then especially I don't see any change from the RCB side because they have been doing good, and I don't think Kohli is a fan of changes, and probably you don't want to fix which is not broken. So I don't think RCB will go for any option, but one change that might tempt them is Moeen Ali for Isuru Udana because Sharjah being the helpful for the spinners in the last game that we saw again, in between DC and RR. So I guess he might be tempted for Moeen Ali, and again he is a left-handed batsman, so it might be helpful for them. Whereas for KKR, there will be two forced changes because Russell seemed to be hobbling around in their last game. So I guess Ferguson and Banton might make way for Russell, and Sunil Narine, as he was suspected for bowling action. So I don't think KKR might want to take chances against him. So they might play a like-for-like replacement in Chris Green. The team to win for this game, according to us, is RCB because of their current form. Now let's go with our Dream 11 pick. We are choosing AB de Villiers as the wicketkeeper. Batsman, Kohli, Finch. You can go with Gill or Tripathi. Nitish Rana. Then all-rounder picks will be Morris, Russell. If Russell doesn't play, then you go for Ali. But I guess Russell will be the game changer for tomorrow's game if he plays. Bowlers will go with Chahal, Isuru Udana, Prasidh Krishna and Pat Cummins. If Udana doesn't play, then you might go for Ferguson. But that's up to you and the combinations. We will choose AB de Villiers as a captain because a long innings is waiting from him since long, and I guess it will be a good time for him to come back to form. And I'll go ahead with as a vice captain choice with the all-rounders because in Sharjah being the high scoring ground, they might give you a few runs and they will take wickets. So I will go with all-rounders, and Russell is our vice captain option. So may the best team win.